I turned $100 into over $500,000 with meme coins. Just keep watching because I'm going to expose exactly step by step on how I achieved this type of money. Now the truth is that I never touched a meme coin in my life. All I do is I launch the coins and then I dump it. And if you're still confused at the moment, well, let me simplify it for you. Basically, 99% of all the meme coins are eventually going to go to zero. So they're basically all work pros, just like this one. Now, the people who are actually making the most amount of money out of all these coins are the people who are creating and launching these coins, just like me. So basically what we do is we create the coin, we wait for buyers to buy in our coin, and when the market cap is high enough and we're satisfied, we simply just remove the liquidity and we're running away with thousands of dollars on every single launch. And the best part is that it's fully repeatable, so you can do this over and over again until you are rich. All you have to do is click a couple buttons and you're printing. So I'm going to head straight to the point and show you how to launch your own coin and then make some money. But obviously this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please do not copy me in my cap. Now, to launch your own coin, I would highly advise you to use launchnow.fun, because on this exact website, you will be able to launch and create your own coin with no coding required and super fast, super efficient, no delays, it's instant. And the special thing about what this website offers is that all your coins are launched on the Raydium DEX, which is way better than Pump.Fun, because Pump.Fun is too saturated. As you can see, too many meme coins are coming out every single second, and your coins have to reach 100% bonding curve for it to migrate on the Raydium DEX. But by launching your own coins directly on launchnow.fun, you are basically skipping that bonding curve, skipping all that time wasted, and you're reaching way more eyeballs. Now coming back here, you have two different options to make your first meme coin. The first option is to make an original coin and make it manually here. So for example, if a viral meme came out, or if, I don't know, someone tweeted, you could make a coin by putting the token name, token symbol, token image, and then follow the simple steps. But the second option is actually my favorite one, because it's made for the people who are lazy and that doesn't want to market their own coin, and it's called copying coins. So you would come to the third tab right here, copy trending coins right here, and boom. And you would actually steal what is already working. Now, all the coins that pops up here, they're all trending, they're all pumping on Pump.Fun, and they all have a good narrative. So by copying these coins and listing them back up on the Raydium DEX, you're profiting way more money, and you can just copy, dump, and repeat. But now it's time to make some bread, okay? So the Moonhouse coin right here just caught my attention. Why? It has a $40,000 market cap, a last buy 7 seconds ago, and 700 replies. So I'm gonna create coin right here. Oh, connect your wallet first, I forgot. Boom, it's really simple, just connect your wallet. Boom, boom, boom. Connect. And then create coin. The Moonhouse coin. Okay, a warning will pop up. It's completely normal, just proceed anyway. Boom, confirm. I understand, confirm. And then your coin should be created soon. Come on. Boom, it popped up. Now copy here and click on create liquidity pool, because now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. But here is really simple. Basically select your coin, select your Solana binds, amount token A, click on max. But I'll click on 90% because I want to keep 10% in my wallet of the coin. Amount token B, you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'll put 0.5 Solana to make it easier. And this right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now, since you'll be the first buyer inside your own coin, you are not losing this money. This money will come out of your wallet, but it will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity. So make sure you have enough here, and then click on create pool. Once again, you are not losing this money, okay? Just chill out. A warning, proceed anyway, confirm, understand, confirm. And then your coin should, oh no, whoops, refresh. Boom, popped up. As you can see, I'm already $40 in profit. Now click on view on Photon, and now your coin is live. Okay, as you can see, okay, we're gonna a couple $50 buys, $20 buys, $1 sales, buys. Okay, not bad. Let me go on a lower time frame real quick. Okay, not bad. $50, $8. Okay, we're gonna get a couple of sales. Yo, it's actually moving. By the way, if you want to check your profits, you can come to launchnow.fun, click on refresh, and here you can see your profits, $90, but I think it's wrong. I think it's like double than this, or triple, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, one more big buy, and I think I'm gonna remove the liquidity. Fuck it. Oh my god! Oh my god! We just got a big buy! What? Oh my god, it's pumping, it's pumping! Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back and launch now.fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity! Come on! Person anyway, confirm on your sign, confirm! And boom! That's exactly how you print money off launching coins, bro. Oh my god! And if I open my Phantom Wallet to see how much I made in 3, 2, 1... $800 is inside my wallet, bro. What? Bro, I made $700 off this one meme coin launch, bro. But if you want to make some money right now, launchnow.fun is the way to go. Oh yeah, and by the way, the chart. Congrats to this person for winning 1 Solana. So if you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.